Do you want to try something new? If you're craving a bite-sized snack, then this video is just for you. Without further ado, let's cook up the egg shrimp scoop. First up, grab 4 slices of bread and cut out the center with a cookie cutter. Press each slices firmly into a mold, shaping it to fit. Brush the bread with a little oil to help it crisp up. And then place it in the oven to bake until golden. While the bread is baking, take 2 boiled eggs. Separate the yolks and the whites. Cube the white parts and set the yolks aside. Next, take 200 grams of shrimp and sizzle them with salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Give it all a good mix to coat the shrimp evenly. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the marinated shrimp and cook for about a minute. Then add the cubed egg whites and stir fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now that's done. Now in a separate bowl, add a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mash the egg yolks. Mix it into a smooth paste. Finally, take each baked bread cup and fill it with the shrimp and egg mixture. Spread the yolk paste on top as a creamy layer. And if you like, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh coriander. And it's ready to serve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Just Full Bites for more tasty recipes. See you next time.